Guys, I'm super excited to announce to you that I just hit 3,000 watch hours. YouTube is not easy. Don't allow anybody to deceive you. It's not easy. When you join YouTube, you have to put in a lot of work. July 1st this year, I will be 2 years on YouTube. I've been posting consistently since I started YouTube in the year 2023. I never knew that it would take this long for me to be able to monetize my channel. Though I have not gotten the full monetization threshold, which is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Though I already have the 1,000 subscribers, even more. But the issue now is the 4,000 watch hours. But I'm glad that I'm making progress. And one thing that kept me going is the fact that I told myself that I must finish what I started. I'm not giving up. So one thing that also brought me this far is the fact that I have been consistent. I have been very, very consistent. I have been posting. Even the days I don't feel like posting, I just try and do video and post. So that is one thing I also want you to also know. In case you're already feeling tired of YouTube, you feel like quitting, you feel like giving up, don't quit, don't give up. Just continue posting. Try your best and drop a video. Just try. I know it's not easy, but at the end of the day, you are going to be happy. So the reason why I'm doing this video is to let you guys know that I'll be monetizing this channel with the 3,000 watch hours. Though somebody told me to wait, let me just attain the full threshold before I monetize it. But I don't want to wait. I just want to monetize it while I continue posting videos, and let's see how it goes. You get. So the reason why I want to monetize the channel is because I believe that time to come, some people will be asking me questions about, is it worth it? Should I just wait, or should I just continue posting till I get to the 4,000 watch hour? So by then, when I'm not giving advice, I'll be able to share from the knowledge I have. Oh, during my time, I monetize with 3,000 watch hours, so I will advise you also do it. Or no, don't just bother, just you get. So I want to experience it, so that when I'm teaching, I'll be teaching from my own experience. So guys, expect a video from me when I'll be talking about the process of how I was able to monetize the channel with 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers. So maybe I will do a screen record of it, or I'll just come and explain to you guys. I don't really know the one I'll do yet, but expect a video on that. So guys, I'm happy. In case you feel like giving up, take a look at me. Take a look at me. I've not gotten to where I want to be, but I'm no longer where I used to be. So I really pray that my channel begins to get more views, massive views, because I don't know what's happening with these low views everywhere on YouTube. People are experiencing low views. You would think you are the only one experiencing it. It's not only you. A lot of people are experiencing it. People with 50,000 subscribers, they will be getting like highest 5,000 views, 3,000 views, 2,000 views. You are not the only one experiencing it. A lot of people are going through it, and I pray that if it's an issue, they should rectify it, because we are doing our best. Yeah. So guys, that is it. So just continue posting. The only difference between this monetizing with 3,000 watch hours and 4,000 watch hours is that if I wait now till I get to 4,000 watch hours, I'll be able to access all the monetization tools. My shorts, I'll be making money from shorts. I'll be making money from my long form videos. I'll be making money from subscription, all those things. But this one now, advertisement will not be playing. So if I monetize now, all those ads, it will not be playing. And even though they manage to put it, because I noticed that sometimes ads used to play on my videos even when I'm not monetized. So even though they pull ads, I will not still make 5 naira from it, because it's not part of this particular threshold. That is this 3,000 watch hours is not part of it. So the only way I can make money now is when I post videos like this. You will see where they wrote something I love, then they will put $ inside. So that one you can say, oh, I love your content, so then you gift me something like that. And also when I go live, and you can also gift, I don't know if it's gift they call it, like when people they send money during live stream, something like that. So those are the ways I can make money, and I think there are other few ways, but the one with the cocoa will be say you do normal videos like this, and then you start making money when people are watching, when YouTube plays ads on your video. That one not join. So but there's no issue about it. That one is still waiting for me. I will surely get there. So for now, let's enjoy this one. while we anticipate the 4,000 watch hours. So guys, that is it. In case you feel like giving up, don't give up, continue posting. It's not easy. One thing that also helped me to increase my watch hour is going live. That thing really helped me, though I've not been going live for 2 months. Imagine I've been coming live since. I would have gotten to 3,500 watch hours by now. Going live really helped me. So just try. If you know you can go live, be going live, be posting consistently. One day everything will fall in place. YouTube is not easy. It's not. It's not. May God help us all on this YouTube street. Thank you so much, everyone that has been very, very supportive. I see you all, and I do not take you for granted. Thank you for your comments, for your likes, for your shares, for your support. I appreciate and I love you all. So, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.